Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at Screencast. It's an application that allows you to screen record, and it's very easy to use, very basic instructions, and it gives you options on if you're going to edit videos, if you're going to screen record, if you want to share videos. It's pretty easy to navigate through, and actually when you record, it's really easy to figure it out. You just have this box around, and then you make it as big as you want to fit your screen, and you just get it across of what the picture that you want to record, and then you press record, and it's pretty easy. You can also just go on Blackboard and for my class and see other things, and yeah, it's really easy to use, fast, easy to download, and so yeah, that's it for today.